Welcome to today's Outlook. Today we will be going over dollar CAD, CAD yen, and dollar yen, whilst also touching on dollar Swiss, Aussie, New Zealand. Today's date is the 19th of February 20. Okay, let's start with dollar CAD. The higher time frame levels that we're watching, if I can just clear this off, is this support and resistance on the daily. We were looking for a daily close below, retest, continuation, all looking good so far. Let's just put in this level. So last week we were looking to get short off this level. Now we've come up and retested it. So let's just put in Monday's high. If this is going to fall, then this level needs to hold. You can see the little resistance turn support, and we broke below that. So now if this is going to drop lower, it should drop lower from here. I do like this play, but just be careful that we don't start closing back above this level. If we do, then you can get out of the trade pretty easily. The only thing that sort of annoys me about this is I'm watching CAD yen as well, but I'm watching CAD yen for a potential reversal. So let me just show you why. On the weekly time frame, we'll have this level. Just mark this in. So resistance, resistance turns support. We broke below, and now we're just retesting that resistance. See it a bit clearer on the daily. Support, resistance, 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 support, support, resistance, resistance. So we'll see if we can get some turning point in this. We are just approaching, we have took out Monday's high. So what I'm looking for is Monday's midpoint, so we'll mark that out, and we'll see how that lines up with recent support and resistance, resistance, resistance. So a break below that, and hopefully it's more yen strength than CAD weakness, but that is going to be a good play if we do break below that. So just keep that in your charts, this level here. Stop just above any swing high that forms. So we'll continue to watch this. Obviously if it keeps going up and up and up, and then our interest becomes less and less and less. Also looking at dollar yen this morning, we have got this sideways consolidation, but we are coming up into, or we have already in this higher time frame level, resistance, support, 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 and we've sold off here before. So as you know, I don't really like selling into these higher time frame levels. So if we come up, take last week's high and break back below even Monday's high, you can see how it acted as resistance here. Resistance, 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 break below, and I'll be looking to sell dollar yen. So quite simple trades. Dollar Swiss, been trying to sell this, tried to sell it last week, didn't quite get it. Selling here, then we broke above and we flipped that level. So similar sort of setup. Let's just get our higher time frame levels. This pair is quite choppy, so resistance, 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 support. So this is quite a nice level going through. Support, support, support. We're just hitting the underbelly of this, and so just waiting for it to break down. I would use either Monday's low or Monday's midpoint. Let me just mark that out for you. around here. You can see as it used it for support back below. Then I'd be looking to sell this. Also, so quite a few setups coming into Wednesday. Last thing I want to look at is Aussie New Zealand. Now, of the weekly chart set up here, support, 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 and we've just tagged this and we've come up. So I'm watching this level. We've sold off here, quite an inefficient move, come up, fill all this in, and then we could get another move to the downside. I have Monday's high marked in, Monday's low, but what I would feel is a break back below Monday's low again would be enough for me to trigger this short. So we'll wait and see if we can get that. We could be reaching for something higher, even a swing high, and then we can take stock again and see where we're at. But that's basically all I'm looking at this week, or today even, sorry. Any questions, let me know. Always willing to chat, always willing to help out, and I wish you the best of luck for the rest of today.